Hi you guys, this is a video solution to a few of the limit problems on our worksheet number 2. So one of the ones requested was number 4, and the problem is the limit as theta goes to 0, 1 minus cosine squared theta over theta 1 plus cosine theta. Okay, so what do we recognize here? If we have this 1 minus cosine squared, do you guys recall how for factoring, that's the difference of squares? So what we could do is turn around and factor that numerator. So remember, it's those conjugates. 1 plus cosine theta, 1 minus cosine theta, all over the theta, 1 plus cosine theta. So if you recognize, this can go to 1, and what we are left with is theta to 0 of 1 minus cosine theta all over theta. And that right there is one of the special trig limits, which is 0. So the answer to this one is 0. The next problem we're going to do is number 5. It is the limit as theta goes to 0 of secant theta over theta cosecant theta. Yeah, I suppose I should make that look like an S. Okay, so again, the first thing you want to do whenever you have things in terms of secant, cosecant, tangent, cotangent, you want to convert those to sine and cosine. So what we will have here is the limit again, and I'm going to rewrite those in terms of secant is 1 over cosine. And then we have our main fraction bar. We have the theta and 1 over sine theta, which is cosecant. Now, here's something we can do right away. If you notice that this right here is theta over sine theta, well, that is one of our special trig limits, and the answer is 1. So this would be a 1. We are left with the limit of theta going to 0 of 1 over cosine theta. So then we would end up plugging it in. 1 over cosine 0. Cosine 0 is 1. So we have a bunch of 1s here. 1 over 1, and our answer is 1. So that's number 5. All right, so the last one we're going to do on this video is number 6. And number 6 is asking for, and this time it's using a t goes to 0, and we have sine 5t over t. Now, if you recall what I was talking about before, we talk about the argument. And again, that's that 5t. It does not change, okay? So we should probably put that in parentheses. The trig property, or the special trig limit, is this. It's when you have the sign of an argument over that same argument expression. So what we want to have happen here is this needs to be 5t in order to go with that argument. In order for that to be a 5, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. So what we end up with is 5 sine 5t over 5t. And if you recognize that, which is this, that part is 1. So we would have 5 times 1, and then our solution would be 5. All right, that's those 3 problems. See you next time.